How to make your nails grow faster. Fingernails are made of many layers of a hard protein called keratin. Your fingernails are an important indicator of your overall health. Healthy nails should be smooth and hard, free of any dents or grooves, and consistent in color. If your nails grow slower than average and you'd like them to grow faster, there are several home remedies and grooming techniques that may help. So here are some home remedies for nail growth. Tip number 1. Take biotin. Biotin is an important type of B vitamin that allows the body to turn food into energy. It's also highly recommended as a supplement to help boost the strength of hair and nails. Tip number 2. Use nail hardeners sparingly. Nail softness makes nails more prone to breaking, which increases the need for nail regrowth. To prevent nails from breaking, experts normally recommend nail hardeners. These are substances that get painted onto nails like a polish and are later removed with nail polish remover. This is helpful in strengthening nails and preventing breakage in the short term. Tip number 3. Avoid glue on nails and toxic polishes. Researchers have found that regular use of glue on artificial nails can weaken real nails and make them more prone to breaking. The better option is to paint your nails with nail polishes that have little or no toxic chemicals. Tip number 4. Practice good grooming. Regular nail grooming can also help boost the strength of your nails, encouraging growth and reducing breakage. If you like our tips, then hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click on bell icon.